In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Webex Cisco Windows. If you're trying to remove Webex from your computer, this is a quick and simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. We'll be using the Windows Settings menu, which is the easiest way to manage installed applications on most Windows computers. To get started, open Windows Settings on your computer. You can usually do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by using the Windows search if that's faster for you. Once the Settings window opens, look for the section where you can manage apps installed on your device. From there, click on Installed Apps. This will open a list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, this list may be fairly long, so using the search feature will save you some time. At the top of the Installed Apps page, click on the search bar and type in Webex. As you type, Windows will filter the list and help you quickly find the app without scrolling through everything manually. This is especially helpful if you have multiple Cisco-related programs installed and want to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you locate the Webex app in the list, click on the three dots next to it. This will open a small menu with additional options for that application. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app, so if a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and continue with the uninstall process. After that, just wait a moment while Windows removes Webex from your system. And that's it. Webex should now be uninstalled from your Windows computer. If this video helped you, feel free to follow along with more simple tech tutorials.